All right, everybody. I always say there's always something new to learn in this hobby of aquariums and fish tanks and water life. You do one thing and then you just got to do more. So I started another little project. I've never really did it before, but I thought I'd get curious about planting some seeds for aquatic life. So I ordered some on eBay, and I got them about a week ago. So I went ahead and planted them for now. This is a Glossostigma, and these are just kind of a mix of random seeds. They seem to be maturing pretty nicely. Green color. The key is to keep them moist. And then I also picked up, it kind of looks like a Glossostigma, but they're supposed to be purple. Now, I don't see any purple coming up yet, but the seedlings are starting to come up. And you can see little ones poking up over here. This camera does not do it justice. There's a lot more in there than you can really see. But that's my next adventure right here, is we're trying these out. Eventually, these are almost ready to plant. Maybe another week. It's got a pretty substantial root growth on it. Let's see if I can get a better focus in on that. There we go. So that's about a 1/2 inch root. So I'm gonna let this get a little bit bigger so that the foliage can be a little bit more mature when they go to get planted. So we shall see how this turns out. I'm very, very anxious to see the success of these. I've started plants for, terrestrial plants by seed, like vegetables and trees and stuff like that. Those I don't ever have a problem with. So I thought I'd move on to the aquatic plants like this. I have all kinds of aquatic plants in my aquariums, so I figured I'd try to start them out by seed. The main reason is cost. You can get a whole pouch of seeds for $1. You can't even buy a plant for $1. A lot of the plants these days are about $8 to $12 a piece, and that's just for an okay couple inch tall plant. When I can do this for a huge fraction of the price, and I'm learning. It's great fun. So anyways, here's my latest little project. And I had ordered fish a few weeks ago, and I got this really nice styrofoam cooler that they had the fish packed in. So I was like, this is ideal. It keeps the warmth in there, keeps the moisture. And a guy on YouTube, I saw what he did was he had just cut the center portion out and put some plastic wrap on it, and it's like an instant greenhouse. So far it works. Same thing with these. I didn't think it was going to, but being that lid is transparent, it's blue, these all grew with this lid on here. So I'm happy. So keep up the learning, and happy tanks.